Hello, welcome to EduCraft World YouTube channel. My name is Samuel Johnson, and in this video tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to add SSL certificate to the WordPress website. Please do not forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. And also, do not forget to share. Now, in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you the exact method that I use in adding SSL certificate to most of my clients' website and also my own personal website. And actually, it's a simple process. All I need to do is actually show you how to do it. Now, let us move on. What is at least SSL? SSL is an acronym for Secured Socket Layer, and its function is actually to encrypt whatever information that goes within your website and your visitors. So we ask, what are actually the reasons why everyone needs to actually everyone need a secure socket layer SSL installed alongside your hosting plan? Now, there are several reasons for this. One of them is that it shows that your website is actually secure. It makes the search engines actually to trust your site. And moreover, if you run an e-commerce website, it gives a vote of confidence to your visitors because they are actually so convinced that your e-commerce website is secure and there will be no theft on their credit card. And moreover, it also boosts SEO and it makes Google trust your site. If there's no SSL certificate on your site, Google is going to display a message that your site is not actually trusted. It's going to put a message out there on the browser telling people not to proceed to your site because your site does not have a valid certificate. So this is key when it comes to having a business website or a personal website. That you should have a secured socket layer with a short form called SSL. Now, when we talk about adding how to add SSL certificate to a WordPress website, we can actually use two methods. Now, we can go with the first option, which actually is very easy, more than easy actually, because you won't be doing the job. Your hosting a company will actually be doing that. You can choose the option of contacting your website host or your subject layer. Yeah, that's if actually you do not have one installed, but usually it's supposed to be free and though some companies actually usually charge for it, but it's supposed to be free. Whatever you pay for domain name and hosting, you're supposed to get an SSL certificate free alongside your hosting. Now, the second method is for you to actually configure your website with an SSL plugin so that visitors visit your site without them a secured version of it. That is, whenever visitors come and visiting your site, the SSL plugin will actually serve them a secured version of it. So that's what we're going to be looking at, and we're going to be making use of a plugin called really simple SSL WordPress. Really simple SSL WordPress plugin. So now let's log into our dashboard and see how we can actually configure really SSL simple plugin in WordPress. Now on your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to plugin and click on add new. To come to search plugin here, you type in really simple SSL. Here you have it, really simple SSL. So go ahead and click on the install button here. After that, click on activate. Now here we are. So you can see here, and this green button is telling me that an SSL certificate actually been detected. So all I need to do is to click activate SSL. Now in clicking it, it may try to actually log me out. It may try to actually log me out, but this time around it's not logging me out. The reason being that I actually have an SSL certificate already. Now, for example, maybe you, from your own side, you can actually display a message and tell you that there's no SSL certificate installed. That for the message it displays, all you need to do is click on continue. Then it's going to log you out. So you need to re-log in. Now, you re-logging in means that now what the plugin will do is now reserve a secure version of your site and forcing an SSL certificate. So that's what is going to happen. Just in case you don't have this display directly like this, it displays a message that's telling you that you do not have an SSL certificate. Just click on continue. So it logs you out. Then it will reserve your site a secured SSL version. Already, I have an SSL insecure configuration plugin on my website. So it's telling me that a really simple SSL can handle the job. I should disable that. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm still going to leave it like that. But there's no need for me having to plug in and actually perform the same job. As redundancy is not actually needed. So the most important thing here is that it's telling me that SSL is actually activated on our side. So you can actually choose to ignore all this, then you can choose to read more info, or just simply, dismiss this. But the most important thing is that SSL is activated on your side. So that's the end of this tutorial on how to install SSL on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching.